In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload or download files in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're collaborating with colleagues or sharing resources with your team, knowing how to seamlessly manage your files is essential. So let's dive right in and make your team's experience even more efficient. To get started, you'll first need to open Microsoft Teams on your device. Once you have Teams up and running, navigate to the chat or conversation where you want to share your file. This could be a chat with a specific person or within a group channel. Now to upload a file, look for the attach icon, which is typically represented by a paperclip symbol. Click on this icon and it will prompt you to select a file from your device. You can choose any document, image, or file that you wish to share. After you've made your selection, simply click Open and you'll notice that the file begins to upload automatically. Once the upload process is complete, the file will appear directly within the conversation, making it instantly accessible to everyone involved in the chat. Switching gears now to downloading a file, the process is just as straightforward. When you receive a file in a chat, simply click to open it. Once the file is open, look for the download option, which is usually represented by a downward-facing arrow or a similar icon. Clicking this will prompt you to save the file to your device. Choose your desired location, confirm the save, and you're all set. The file is now downloaded and ready for use at your convenience. And there you have it. That's how you upload or download files in Microsoft Teams. Mastering this function not only enhances your productivity but also ensures that you can collaborate smoothly with your team. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and you feel more confident navigating Teams. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.